What's going on, everybody? Honda Pro Jason here in Southern California at Go Tuning in Orange with my friend Nick from Civic Media.
How's everybody doing?
And today we're doing something very, very cool. We are getting my car even more ready for SEMA with an Acuity, let me repeat that, Acuity shifter assembly. So before we get into that and what it is and why I'm doing it, we're gonna go grab some food.
Great.
And we're gonna, right? I just got off the plane. And then we're gonna show you guys the complete installation and getting this car even more ready for SEMA, where it's gonna be at the Honda booth.
So, Mexican food.
Duh.
Let's go.
Highly recommended by the guys over at Go Tuning. So we are gonna check it out, and so far it looks amazing. What do you think?
I'm excited, especially because it's carnitas. So.
Of course it's carnitas. Let's eat. So this is the Acuity shifter assembly, and it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's gonna shorten up my shifts, make them more precise. But what good is this if this is in the center console and no one can see it? So what Acuity did is they made a one-off custom center console that's actually cut out on both sides. You'll be able to see the actual shifter inside at SEMA, which is sick. So thank you to Acuity for doing this. And now we're gonna install it and show you guys what the whole thing looks like. So let's do that. So it's in. Let's try it. Let's see what big difference it made. This is insane. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. What a huge, huge difference. It's way, way less throw, and it feels much more exact and much stronger. And look at this. You can actually see it. People are gonna go mad crazy at SEMA. I cannot wait for this. Thank you first and foremost to Nick from Civic Media, putting this whole thing together, taking it all out. I mean, he did all the work. I just did some of the filming, and I get to enjoy it. So big shout out to Nick. Thank you. The guys at Acuity, you guys make some amazing products. Thanks for custom making this. I really think it's gonna be a showstopper at SEMA, so I'm excited. And of course, Go Tuning, thanks for letting us use your shop. You guys rock. Now, I need to go because SEMA's coming up real soon. As always, guys, this time from Orange, California, I'm the Honda Pro, and now you're in the know.